All right, the drink we're about to make is called Blonde Jenny. We're going to serve it up in a martini glass, so throw some water and ice in your glass and let it sit while you're making your drink. That'll get it nice and chilled for you. All right, fill up your mixing glass with ice and measure out 1.5 ounces of dry vermouth. Look at it barreling out of there. There we go. Follow that up with 1/2 ounce of gin. And we'll give it a splash of orange juice and a dash of bitters. All right, get your shaker and shake it up. There we go. Gonna get it nice and cold. Dump out your ice water and use your strainer to pour it in. And look at that. Blonde as Jenny's hair. Bottoms up.